Outstanding design defines the 2005 Nissan Titan. This four-door, six-passenger truck still has less than 80,000 miles. A 5.6-liter V8 engine pairs with a sophisticated 5-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Top features include power windows, one-touch window functionality, speed-sensitive wipers, a front bench seat, and a split-folding rear seat. Premium sound drives 8 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Nissan also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.